Introducing the Dolphin LIBERTY 600 Robotic Pool Cleaner, a powerful cordless cleaner that easily scrubs your pool from the floor to the waterline. A sparkling clean pool, no hard work required, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time living it.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the Dolphin LIBERTY 600 Robotic Pool Cleaner, Maytronics Dolphin Clicker, charger supply, cartridge filters,
And user manual.
how to use. Fully charge the Dolphin LIBERTY 600 before first use using the included magnetic charger. Place the cleaner into the pool. Press the power button to start the cleaning cycle and let it clean automatically. Once the cleaning cycle is complete, retrieve the cleaner, remove and rinse the filter basket with clean water, and then recharge it for the next use. For the best cleaning results, use the cleaner regularly and keep the filter basket clean after every cycle. Cleaning mode selection. Eco Mode Cleaning Scheduler, Homing, Steps Jet Cleaning, Maytronics One mobile app. Maintenance. Turn the robot off by connecting the charger, then open the lid and remove the filter basket. Dismantle the filter panels, clean them with a hose, and reassemble them. If needed, remove the cover, exhaust manifold, and servo cap to access the impeller area. Clear debris from the steps jet pipe and impeller using tweezers or pliers, taking care as the impeller blades are sharp. Reassemble all parts after cleaning. App Features Guide. Starting the pool cleaner via the app. Eco Mode Cleaning Scheduler. Cleaning mode. Robot error notification. Setting a preferred homing wall.
Smart features?
Enjoy complete freedom of movement with a powerful rechargeable battery, eliminating tangled cables and making pool cleaning simple. Its cordless design provides hassle-free operation with reliable performance for a thoroughly cleaned pool. Cleans every major pool surface in a single cycle, including the floor, walls, waterline, steps, and shallow sun shelves. It delivers complete coverage to remove dirt, debris, and algae for a consistently sparkling pool. Intelligently scans your pool to plan an efficient cleaning path, ensuring thorough coverage with minimal missed spots. It optimizes every cleaning cycle for fast, reliable, and consistent results. High-speed active brushes scrub away stubborn dirt, algae, and debris from pool surfaces with ease. This deep cleaning action helps keep your pool cleaner, clearer, and ready to enjoy. Recharge the cleaner quickly and effortlessly with the easy-to-use magnetic charging connection. The secure, cable-free design provides safe and reliable charging after every cleaning cycle. Easily bring the cleaner to the pool's edge for quick and effortless removal after each cleaning cycle. This convenient feature eliminates the need to reach into the water, making retrieval simple and hassle-free.
Specifications.
FAQs.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Dolphin Liberty 600 Robotic Pool Cleaner. See you at the next one.